Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you a small business owner, a creative professional, or maybe just someone who needs to print big ideas without breaking the bank? Then you absolutely need to see what the HP OfficeJet 7612 wide format all-in-one can do for you. This isn't just another printer. It's a game changer for anyone looking to bring their visions to life, right from their desk. First up, let's talk about its most jaw-dropping feature, its wide format printing capabilities. Imagine being able to produce professional quality color prints from as small as 3 by 5 inches all the way up to a massive 13 by 19 inches. This means you can create stunning, borderless flyers, brochures, and even posters that look like they came straight from a high-end print shop, all in your own office. For small businesses, this is huge. You can market your services with materials that instantly grab attention, dry fast, and are designed to last for decades, giving your brand a polished, professional edge without the constant outsourcing costs. Plus, with individual ink cartridges, you only replace the colors you actually use, making this an incredibly affordable and efficient way to print high-impact materials. It's about making your marketing budget go further and your ideas bigger. But it's not just about printing big. It's about making your life easier. This HP OfficeJet 7612 is engineered to simplify your printing tasks and handle high-volume jobs with surprising ease and reliability. Ever needed to scan a large blueprint, a poster, or an oversized document? No more struggling with stitching together multiple scans. This machine lets you scan documents up to a generous 11 by 17 inches in a single pass. And despite its wide format capabilities, it maintains a surprisingly compact footprint, perfect for any office space. With intuitive controls and a substantial 250-sheet paper tray, you spend less time fussing with the printer and more time focused on your work. It's all backed by HP's renowned dependability, giving you peace of mind that your projects will always come out flawlessly, even under pressure. Now let's talk about freedom and flexibility, because this printer is a true connectivity champion. Whether you're at the office or on the go, the HP OfficeJet 7612 keeps you connected. You can easily link it to your office network, wirelessly or via Ethernet, allowing multiple PCs to share its powerful capabilities. But the real magic happens with mobile printing. Imagine sending a document to print from your smartphone or tablet from virtually anywhere using HP ePrint. Got a last-minute revision? Print it from your coffee shop. Heading to a meeting? Have your presentation waiting for you. And for ultimate convenience, this printer is HP Instant Ink or Amazon Dash replenishment ready, meaning you'll never run out of ink when you need it most. It's intelligent, seamless, and designed to keep your workflow moving, no matter where you are. So what does all this mean for you? It means professional-grade output, incredible versatility, effortless operation, and the freedom to print from anywhere, all wrapped up in one dependable package. It's an investment in your productivity, your creativity, and the professional image of your business. Plus, with features like automatic two-sided printing and Energy Star 2.0 qualification, you're also making an environmentally conscious choice. If you're ready to expand your printing horizons and elevate your work, the HP OfficeJet 7612 wide format all-in-one is the tool you've been waiting for. It's more than a printer. It's a productivity powerhouse for your ambitions. You can find